why I didn't lie about this one. Okay, your bear.
You got the bear? Okay, we're in good shape. Maddie! Maddie girl! Oh, I'm so happy. I got curls like you. I saw you in curls and I thought,
Do you need me to go get the boys? I guess they're all down there.
Yes.
Okay. They might be. Okay, I will go.
You know what? It's really sad that the kids are where they need to be.
Well, I brought the kids.
Okay.
Dad
Thank
and
you.
Okay, let me write
Alright.
this down.
You have Maddie's flowers, Jill? Yep, right here.
Oh,
Alright, I'm gonna go get the boys.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Jill.
You're welcome.
Maddie, go get your flowers from Jill. Okay, can you do me a favor? Can you just be careful because we don't want to lose these rings. That's my wedding ring. So you get to carry my. Now you got the most important job today. So just be real careful. Thank you guys so much for being in my wedding. I'm so happy you guys are all here. And we'll have to take pictures together later, okay? You promise? Okay, which way looks best? This way?
That way, yeah.
This way? Okay, that's how I'm going to carry it then. I carry it just like this. And I'm going to hope that my shoulders don't fall off. Because they tend to do that.
You look gorgeous.
I like your shoes. I like your shoes.
Thank you. Okay, so how are we holding our flowers? Are we holding them like this? When you walk downstairs, you can hold onto the railing, but then when you get downstairs, you hold them like this, right? And we walk slow, like this. You need your right? You guys want to practice up and down the hall?
Okay.
Let's practice walking real slow, real nice and slow and pretty. Beautiful. You guys are experts. Okay, let's turn around and walk back. We're practicing our walk. So we make sure that we all go slow.
Now lean in.